Good morning everyone. From the picture I have perceived multiple characters, but the main character of my story is Shyam, who is 31-year-old and the mood is neutral.
Meanwhile, he also saw the boating in the river, so he realized that if this bridge is reconstructed, this is gonna help many people in the area and will also promote tourism in the sector.
So Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I have perceived one male character of age group 24 in positive mood. Action of my story transforming a place into tourist destination. So Ramesh, 24 years old, village secretary, newly appointed village secretary in a village of Meghalaya, visited a swinging bridge and observed that this is a beautiful place and it can be transformed into a tourist destination. So he first observed the problem are the debris and the shrubs. So he immediately made team of Safai Karmcharis cleared those debris and the shrubs, and after that he installed banners to not do those type of things again, installed dustbin there as well. After that he talked to village head as well as the block video and had the funds under the scheme of Swadesh Darshan too. And after that he installed the chairs and sitting arrangement there, requested local shop owners to install shop there, and did advertisement of this place at various social media as well as offline location. With help of all the efforts, tourists started visiting there and the locals got benefited. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. From the picture I have perceived multiple characters, but the main character of my story is Shyam, who is 31-year-old and the mood is neutral. The action of my story is reconstructing the bridge. Shyam, a 31-year-old district magistrate, was posted in Kishtwar region in Jammu and Kashmir. One day he got the problem regarding the movement of the people in a village due to the high flow of the river Marusida river. He then went to the village and saw there was a wooden bridge that connected the village to the town. The wooden bridge was in very bad condition. He also saw some people crossing the river through a boat, and even students were crossing through it. He thought it was very dangerous. So he immediately contacted PWD and gave them idea of constructing a steel suspension bridge. After that, he convinced them by telling them hardship of the people of the village, and the PWD sanctioned and passed the idea. After that, the bridge was constructed in 1 year. After that, people were happy and even Shyam was pleased about it. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived multiple characters in my story. The main character is Ram, age 23. Action of my story is warning campers. Ram is an enthusiastic trekker who sometimes go for solo hiking. He has gone to his favorite place called Pindari Glacier, where when he was crossing a bridge, he noticed a campsite nearby, and he saw the camp people on a boat without a local guide. He is familiar with the place. He knows that the river flow gets very fast immediately ahead. So to get their attention, he bangs his utensil and then tells them that about the danger that lies ahead. They listens to him, and a mishap was prevented from happening. Thank you.
Good morning friends. From the picture shown, I perceive a group of characters of different age group and different gender, and overall mood is positive, and the age group is around 25 to 30. My central character is Param, and the action is planning for an adventure trip to Rishikesh. Param is a final year graduate student, has decided to plan an adventure trip to Rishikesh, and for that he informed his classmates and made a WhatsApp group so that he could inform further information in the group. He described about his plans that since Rishikesh is a holy place, that along with the adventure activities, they would be visiting numerous places like various temples, Ram Jhula, Lakshman Jhula, and other places. Apart from that, he also asked everyone to keep themselves fit and exercise daily and keep running daily, so that they could avoid the injury on the day of adventure activity. After exams, he collected money from everyone and booked a cab to the place, and they went to the place. There they did river rafting, rope climbing, and other activities like skydiving, etc. They also visited numerous places, and Param also clicked the photographs to make the trip memorable. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I have posted multiple characters, and the protagonist of my story is a male of age 25 years, mood positive, and action of the story is bridge inspection. So Prashant Chavan was a newly posted DM of Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Once he was going to Nagaon for an official work. Meanwhile, he saw a old wooden bridge over Dasan River. When he went there, he saw that bridge was in a bit dilapidated condition. Meanwhile, he also saw the boating in the river. So he realized that if this bridge is reconstructed, this is gonna help many people in the area and would also promote tourism in the sector. So he when he did his official work, he called a meeting with Ministry of Road and Transport, discussed the idea, made a prototype, and within a few weeks the project was sanctioned, and within half a year the bridge was reconstructed, and that helped a lot of people in that area. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived multiple male character, age around 20 to 30 in a positive mood. Main character of my story is Sudhir, and action of my story is developing an adventurous sports site in a river. Sudhir, 25 year, tourism officer in Almora district. One day he got a memorandum of request from the Chakhutia block to develop a tourist adventure sports in the Ramganga river. So he take a meeting with the official and finalize a site in the Ramganga river. So then he developed the bungee jumping, river rafting, boating in that area, and also arrange the accommodation for the tourist. And for developing market, he also arranged land for the villager and auctioned the shops. And then he, for the promotion of that tourist place, uses social media. And at the last, with that, he increased the revenue with the auctioning of the shop, and also develop a tourist place. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture, I have perceived one male character in the foreground and multiple characters in the background. The age of male character in the foreground is 25 years old, and the age of other characters in the background is around 25 to 30 years old. The action of my story is developing area into tourist place. Deepak, SDM of Nainital district, was posted at Pangot village. While patrolling Pangot village, he came across the old rope bridge. He was mesmerized by the nature's beauty. He decided to convert that place into tourist place. So he employed a good civil engineer and asked him to repair the bridge with some good qualities of wood, planks, and also ropes. He also gathered the sarpanch of the villages and told them about the various businesses that they could open, like river rafting, paragliding, opening handlooms. He also told them about the Skill India initiative to help them achieve those skills. This way he was able to turn that spot into the tourist place, and he was also able to promote it with the help of social media and other press conferences, etc. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, I perceive multiple characters in my picture, age around 25 to 35. Action of my story is saving the fishes. My story goes like this. Deepak was a student of MIT College in Dehradun. There was a river float through the valley in nearby mountains. Every morning he went there and do meditate, and also saw sunrise and observe fishes. One day he observed that the water color was getting blue, and also he observed that there was a decrease in number of fishes. He checked the pH of that water and found that pH was high. Next day he decided to follow the river in the upper direction and find out there was factories, those who are not recycling their waste and directly entering. Then with that he filed complaint against those factories and got them banned. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived multiple characters in the story. My main character is male who is 27 years old, and the action of my story is saving the people with the help of others. Now Rahul, who is a 27 years old, is a tourist guide and was giving ride to the tourist. While he was going in the boating, he saw that there was water coming inside the boat suddenly. What he does, he saw a tracker going on the bridge, asks him for the rope which he was carrying. Then he ties the rope in his boat, and other side of the rope with a water bottle filled with water. Then he saw the people nearby are walking in the street, so in the river side. So what he does, he throws bottle towards them, asks them to tie the rope towards the tree, and tells them to push the boats towards the land side, and the water increases the speed of the boat towards the land. After that, Rahul helped the people for their help and asked the boater to fix the boat. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived two characters in my story. Both are male, age around 30 to 40. Ram is 30 years old shopkeeper of the 30-year-old guy, a shopkeeper in Dharma village, lives in Dharma village and a shopkeeper of Dharma village in Uttarakhand. One day he is going to a village and he have to cross the bridge, and when he got near he reached near the bridge, there is a guy crossing the bridge. The quality of the bridge is very poor, so the bridge started breaking from the middle. The guy who is crossing the bridge started feeling worried and stammering. So Ram consoled him and told him not to worry. He gave him stick, rescued him, and told the authority about the bridge, and also told about it to the villagers. Thank you.
First 5 systems participate.
So we can make
One main character would be a district development officer, and he notices that the quality of so we can merge both the stories.
we can making that the protagonist is a tourism officer.
Yes. Who are the professions in order to recover and reform and Chester was also mentioned.
We can mention he conducted a meeting with the Ministry of Transport over there. They discussed the idea and then
And Chester was also mentioned that he also cleared the debris which was in the ground in order to attract the tourism in the place. And Chester also mentioned that the quality of the bridge was not so as mentioned by the key contacts. So we have added 2 actions till now. We can also and Chester also mentioned that he saw the potential of the adventure sports in the area, like river rafting. So he in order to make it attractive. He also noticed a lot of debris, so he cleared it, and he saw opportunities to develop adventure sports in the area. He implemented all the safety measures for the adventure sports.
So we can include the scheme too.
Yeah, we can mention it to the government schemes and after took the pictures of that posted in the
And he also encouraged the local unemployed people to become tour guides as they were very familiar with the area.
And they can also open start there.
and we can also see board over there, so we can mention this point too that the board
Group number 2 participating.
Find out the side of the Chest number 6 is saying to develop that area. First, there is a tourist officer. He finds out the unexplored places in the nearby
all the matters, we can take our various character as well.
So now what we can add chest number 7. We can make it now she has a who is going to find the size of the river. Then he develops find out
As well as controlling the area, he stumbled across the old and he also got the creating the area.
First he observed the potential of the adventure activity. First he made a plan for that. He find out that what are the future plans he can make. So first he set the area. And also he can take the help from the nearby communities and also that he can and proper price list on that and also motivate them to participate in that.
He also established many like dustbins around the area so that the proper cleaning also and also the some CCTV cameras also installed.
And also that there are many activities over there, river rafting and boating and also so many activities. And also develop market nearby the place because there is a or also make on shops and auction and also is the value of the and also there is a local source startup promoting the tourist area. You can take the help of the ambassador of the tourist department to walk their places and use the social media to promote the place. And now we have to
all of the action. Our story will go like this. We have considered the theme of developing the area into tourist spot. So our main protagonist is a SDM who is 31 years old and
more than that, we have to chief developer.
We all have
officer of it.
We all agreed with the SDM part.
I will go with the and he find out that in Almora there is a high potential of developing the tourism. So what he can do is that he tourist officer, he employs some engineers to plans with the how we can develop this area.
Paragliding.
Chest number also gather system over there that we can tourists from different places they can stay calm and also market area
And also establish proper sanitization things like vegetables and all.
and also chest number 6 was mentioned that there is an advertisement of that place
Fine.
that should be.
One last minute, all can participate.
So now
So you now please nominate anyone amongst you to come on the story, please.
Chest number 9.
All are you for 9? Go ahead, please.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. As we all have decided, our main theme of the story is developing the place into tourist spot. So our main protagonist is SDM, who is 27 years old and has gone for the inspection of that area. So firstly he saw there is a village. He inspected the village and found the scope of reconstructing it. Then he found a river nearby and he got the idea to include the water activities in the water also, and he encouraged the trekking in the nearby hill also. After that, what he does, for the development of the area, he installed dustbins and all things in the area, promoted that site in the social media also so that people could come and know about it. He also tried to make homestays and develop the area. Thank you.
Right. This is a good participation. All the very best for the result.